I'm out at Walmart. Listen to these damn birds. They all flying around and shit. Making all this goddamn noise. What the hell they know that I don't? Huh? What the hell's going on at Walmart? Motherfuckers flying everywhere. Look at this shit. Damn, you something. Anybody know? They loud as hell. What is that, the mating sound? They mating or some shit? Yeah, I want to know, because I ain't never heard these birds fucking make this goddamn noise. Just went in Walmart. They wasn't making noise. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Get the groceries.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Come on, look at this guy.
Look at this guy, man.
Go get home groceries.
What the hell? Somebody help me. What the hell's going on? Look at this guy. Listen to this guy.
I cannot even fucking
You know,
deal.
just running around the parking lot, having fun, talking about what up, though. Y'all ain't from Detroit, my boy. Why the hell does the sky look like that?
Right, it look like mountains.